Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making cheesy tofu tomato rice. It's a simple rice dish with soft tofu, savory tomato sauce, and melted cheese. In a bowl, mix the tomato puree, miso paste, and water. Microwave for 1 minute. Place the tofu in a separate bowl and microwave for 2 minutes to release excess water. Add the cooked rice to a serving bowl. Place the tofu on top. Pour the tomato sauce over it. And sprinkle with shredded cheese. Microwave for about 2 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Serve hot and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this cheesy tofu tomato rice.
いただきます。
At the end of this 14-day series, all recipes with links to the videos will be packaged in a downloadable PDF. Stay tuned for details on how to get it. Tofu is such a simple food. It's made from just soybeans, water, and a coagulant, like nigari. It has a mild, mellow flavor, almost neutral. Some people might say it doesn't have much taste. When it comes to mass-produced tofu, it's usually made by diluting soy milk and using coagulants other than nigari to solidify it. Because of that, it doesn't really have the soybean flavor or sweetness. Sometimes you might even notice a bit of acidity or an odd aftertaste from the coagulant itself. But when tofu is handmade with carefully chosen ingredients, it's a whole different story. It has this delicate, gentle taste with just a hint of the fresh, natural bean flavor. By the way, farm tofu is made by pressing the soy milk to remove more water, which gives it a denser, more concentrated flavor compared to the softer, smoother silken tofu.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.